I heard your head thump. I heard it. I heard it. You okay? Yeah, hurt your head. Mommy heard it. Yeah, hit it. Hit it on the rug. Where did you hit it? On the rug. Should we put on your helmet? Put your helmet on. Where's your helmet? Nope, it's back in the bathroom. Back there. It's on top of the xylophone. It's back there. On top of the xylophone. Go ahead. You gonna go get it?